Springfield at nirelease ito noong 1966.
Kaya eto na po, si Lane Julian para sa You Don't Have to Say I Love You.
When I said I needed you, you said you would always stay. Doesn't mean you changed, but you and now you've gone there. Don't you see that now you've gone and I'm left here on my own? That I have to follow you and beg you to come home. Don't have to say you love me just because you don't have to stay forever. I will understand. Believe me, I can't help but love you. But believe me, I'll never tell you down. Left alone with just a memory. Life is dead and so unreal. All that's left is loneliness. There's nothing left to feel. Don't have to say you love me just be close and you don't have to stay forever. I will understand. Believe me, believe me. Oh, you don't have to say you love me just be close and you don't have to stay forever. I will understand. Believe me,
Yun na!
Wala namang katremulo-tremulo.
Wala! Wala! Dapat mag-aral pa yung bata.
Kulang!
Kulang!
Gumantalang sa harap ng ventilador, magkaka-tremulo na.
Ano ba yung sing-sing? Thank you, Elaine.
Ito naman, ganda sa number 2, mula sa Bacoor, Cavite, 11 years old.
Sold pa, ha? Kakantayin niya ang international hit ni Roy Orbison.
Ah,
Noong
teka. Roy.
1963, si paring Roy.
Roy, kilala mo, Tito Sen?
Oo. Hindi, eto na, si Pichi Yosito para sa Blue Bayo. Bayo pala, Bayo.
I feel so bad, I've got a worried mind. I'm so lonesome all the time. Since I left my baby behind on Blue Bayou. I'm going back someday. Come one day to Blue Bayou, where the folks are fine.
Yan ang
Pichi.
awiting hinahandog natin sa mga katabi nyo.
Yes.
Blue Bayot. Okay. Oh, tuwan-tuwa sila.
Thank you, Pichi. Mamaya malalaman natin kung sino sa kanila ang mag-uwi ng 20,000 pesos at papasok sa weekly finals.
At tayo'y bubunot
Okay.
ng susugurin.
Happy birthday, Jesse Ramos of Malabon City.
Jesse!
Oy. Blue.
Kasi Arnel,